it's me Kirtana. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you guys some things that you can do during this lockdown period. So let's go to the video. You can spend your time by playing with your pets. These are my pet lovebirds Kunji and Kunjan. The yellow one is the girl Kunji and the blue is the boy Kunjan. They are super cute and adorable. That's why I love playing with them. You can enjoy making new things and learning how to make them. Doing crafts and creative projects also divert your focus from your anxieties and relax your body. You can become immersed within the project and really clear your mind. This will help relieve stress in your life. Crafting itself can act as a meditative experience. Here I have made some solar wood flowers. You can easily make them with crepe paper if solar wood is not available. You can find many other craft items from YouTube and other internet websites. If you do not have a mental health issue, you can use cooking therapy to relieve stress. Instead of seeing cooking as a chore, you can view it as a fun activity that can help you stay stress-free. Counselors intimate that the cooking courses soothe stress, reduce negative thinking and build confidence. You can help your mother in gardening. It is a very fun activity. This is syngonium, varieties of syngonium. Here we have spider plant. This is money plant. We can plant money plant in water or also in soil. This is turtle vine. It is very easy to maintain and is a very fast growing plant. A study published in the Journal of Health Psychology reported that gardening was more effective at reducing stress than reading a book. Another study that appeared in the Journal of Public Health found that working in a garden for just 30 minutes increased self-esteem and mood. Playing an instrument can help refocus bad energy into something positive and enjoyable, which in turn can help alleviate stress. Reduced stress levels lead to slowing down your heart rate and lowering your blood pressure. During this lockdown period, you can play any instrument that you have at your home. You can even learn a new instrument if you have something at home. It's really interesting. I'm playing keyboard here. You can read many books during this lockdown period. It is a very interesting activity. Reading can even relax your body by lowering your heart rate. Simply by opening a book, you show yourself to be invited into a literary world that distracts you from your daily stresses. Reading can even relax your body by lowering your heart rate and easing the tension in your muscles. A 2009 study at the University of Sussex found that reading can reduce stress by up to 68%. The act of cleaning, if done right, can bring the added benefit of getting you a little extra exercise, which can be great for relieving stress. Running up and down the stairs, carrying items from room to room, and scrubbing windows and floors can burn calories, release endorphins, and help you blow off steam. Recent studies show that playing card games and other games help people to reduce stress. Especially playing games with your friends and family can help calm you down and unwind from stress. Playtime! I'm playing Uno Junior with my mother. Let's play. Color change yellow. Uno. Study says making art reduces stress even if you're bad at it. Researchers found that 45 minutes of creative activity significantly lessens stress in the body. If you're bad at it, you can study it too. We have enough time for it during this lockdown period. During this lockdown period, because you have so much of free time, you can take next academic year's textbooks from your seniors and learn them. It will be very interesting and easy for you when teacher teaches you in the class. This is my journal. Journaling can reduce stress by helping one get rid of negative thoughts. A study published in a 2011 Psychological Science journal noted that writing down your thoughts and then physically throwing away the paper that you wrote them on can be an effective way of clearing your mind. This is a very interesting activity. Even if you are not that creative like me, you can still do it by looking at many websites like Pinterest and other internet websites and YouTube channels. Watching a movie can be revitalizing. It allows you to disconnect, relax, and have a good time. Film therapy uses scenes or entire movies to help people face fears. It helps them become aware of their fears so that they can work on overcoming them. Hope you all liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay home, stay safe, and keep watching. Bye.